So this is the Rivian R1S Adventure Dual. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Beautiful car. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. I am absolutely in love with the car. Simplicity, spacious. इस वक्त जो है हम we're driving. Alright, I'm going to do a lane change, and this is part of the standard package. Can you believe this? You can change the lane. Unlike Tesla, where I have to spend $8,000, I do not need to do this. Cameras, lane change, everything. And with Teslas, you have to have your hand on the steering wheel. Now, this is a highway that is part of their system. It's a known highway, so you see that up here, which means I can literally have my hands free and I can do things with the audio, with the functionalities. There's the standard height, it can go into kneel height, all of that. And then when it tells you to keep your hand on the wheel, all you need to do is just touch it and it understands that. And the camera is constantly recording, 360 camera. And right now it's going to take us 139 miles by the time we reach home. Right now the battery is at 61%. They gave it to me at 85%. So let's see.